like.
I, Geoffrey Ekongot, being chairman of Uganda Musicians Association Electoral Committee, pursuant to Article 3, Section 8 of the UMA Constitution and Article 9 of the UMA Bylaws, hereby declare Elvis Kiria, also known as Vampino, duly nominated as a candidate to contest for elections as dancehall music representative.
Yes, congratulations, Kiria, and we call it a wrap. Members of the press, Kiria is podium, and we're wrapping the question. Thank you very, very, very.
I've been honored to be part of this, and I'm representing dancehall and reggae, and it's a kind of music genre that has a lot of militancy in it. Dancehall is a militant music, so but dancehall Banange, I've been an ambassador for this for over the years. Everybody knows, and what I want to do is I want to do what they asked me to do, but I'm going to mix up with a little bit of me to break the barriers of dancehall and breaking it internationally with my fellow artists. So if it's a great day, we need more action. Let's take it militant. Blessing Vampino.